Hello and welcome to this video on how to delete Reddit account on PC. So if you're new subscribe, miss the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a source bar. Just type Reddit on the source bar and press enter, and the Reddit source result will be shown to you. Just click on the first source result, that is Reddit. And when you are inside the interface of the Reddit, you just need to look at the top right corner. There is an circular icon. Just click on the circular icon. In the bottom of the pop-up box there is an setting option. Just click on the setting options, and the setting section will be open to you. And first thing first is the account section, and when you are inside the account, just scroll down to the bottom and there is an delete account option, and on the right side there is an delete account button that is written in red color. Just click on the delete account button and they will show you a pop-up notification box. You just have to click on the continue. After that your account will be deleted. So this is how you can easily delete account on Reddit on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.